this video, I will show you how to join the GoDaddy affiliate program. To do this, just go to godaddy.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of their website. Now after doing that, under their partner programs, you will find affiliates. Go and click affiliates, and here you need to click join now. Now their affiliate program is hosted on CJ. So it will now redirect you to CJ, and here you can click on apply now. Now here just set your language, your country, email, password, and confirm your password and click submit. And then they will have a few more questions, such as how you intend on promoting GoDaddy, for example through your YouTube channel. So from there just answer those questions, and then they will review your application, and if they want you to be in the program, they will then accept it, and from there you can then sign in through cj.com and you can start promoting GoDaddy. So now you know how to join the GoDaddy affiliate program. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.